Salon Fambul them Unoado. This Alpha Saidu Bangura. They bring to una another edition of Kapu Sense, no Kapu Word. Today, Monday, September 25, 2017. In this edition, I go explain to una the wisdom way President Ernest Bai Koroma plan for postpone the election the way him be don't say go take place in Sierra Leone on the 7th of March 2018. If you remember, in February of this year, 2017, President Ernest Koroma assured we, the people of Sierra Leone, say we go all elections at all levels in Sierra Leone on the 7th of March 2018. He also tell we say he don't even get funding and he go do everything possible for let we go able maintain with democratic credentials them where we don't get from 1996. But we don't find out say President Ernest Bai Koroma and the APC they're not sincere for conduct these elections. First, before they make that statement about the date for the election, if they don't tell some of him bobo them for me them test water, let them try water for me the people of Sierra Leone go get more time because they're not ready for go. But when he say that they no work, he also tell the elected Vice President Alhaji Abubakar Samsumana for let him manipulate the constitution for make him go get more time. And he say Alhaji Samsumana no agree. Now he don't bring new pattern. The plan for so he get now for make a small group of Usojaman them go make like say they want form coup. Then he go use the opportunity there for declare a state of emergency. Then after some time he go pardon the Sojaman and they. Well, then they self no go work because we don't know him and we don't put them out, let people know say he get a plan day. He also be don't try with parliament. If you want make parliament go past a state of emergency because of that Agbara where na be a man-made disaster will kill over 1,000 people. And go remember say them people and the President Ernest Koroma don't collect over $30 million for help them people and the 30 day. Them people and they na shelter, then they suffer. President Ernest Koroma don't take the boku money we don't collect. He give in Vice President Victor Fo we 30 day, aid no day, tail no day. People are still they suffer. Well, the next thing we bring come is say the National Electoral Commission, headed by Umfa Ali Conte, then do pull a provisional register we not get every registered person in them. Behold, na the APC, na the Migofen one Ghanaian, we can hack the Electoral Commission, then computer system, and delete them people and they just because they may think say they go use that one day as an excuse for postpone the election. But when they bring up that issue, the Electoral Commission go to Parliament. Then go make and clear say, okay, them people are with their name missing, we go able to fix them easily because we get the manual records of all the one that we register and anybody will be registered will be get asleep. So we go look at the manual documents them and we go put them people and name them back. It not go affect the election in any way. The election will still be on the 7th of March 2018. Well, when they don't see say the Electoral Commission determined for conduct free and fair elections, now they also they plan for pull Umfa Ali Miata French come out at the Electoral Commission. But if they try down the back, it not go work. Because the Constitution say if you have for pick any commissioner na the Electoral Commission, you get for consult with all the registered political party them and all the party that we register as alone, then don't ready for stand up against President Ernest Koroma and the corrupt APC. So then they self not get for work. Now what they don't plan, They don't ask the lawyer Batan Macaulay for let carry the case go na Supreme Court against the National Electoral Commission for force the National Electoral Commission for postpone the election. And it is my understanding that President Ernest Koroma don't call Abdoulaye Cham, the Chief Justice where he pick, and Abdoulaye Cham don't go assure and say if the case can at Supreme Court, the Supreme Court go make the postpone the election. Well, if the Supreme Court try to do that, let we the people of Sierra Leone ready for demonstrate against them. Let the judges that at the Supreme Court know say then are government officials that are paid out of taxpayer money, and we get the right for acts with Parliament for impeach them if they're not work how the Constitution demand for me to work. The job of the Supreme Court not to for legislate from the bench. The job that for interpret the laws. We all know say Chief Justice Cham na APC man. Then they up to him. But he not go use in political affiliation with the APC for can do something with detrimental to the people of Sierra Leone. President Ernest Koroma in term done. In self don't call for elections. The Electoral Commission don't show say they're ready for conduct elections. Therefore, President Ernest Koroma no get no choice but for ensure that elections are held on the 7th of March 2018. And they call on all the other registered political parties them for me come together and ready for fight the APC. And I also believe say some sober-minded APC members then they were they against President Ernest Koroma for postpone this election. Right now, you don't get about 17 people in the APC who don't say themselves want for succeed President Ernest Koroma. President Ernest Koroma in don't take kata say na inge for pick the next presidential candidate. I want the APC ready for stand up against that. The Constitution of Sierra Leone and the Supreme Law is say all the political parties therefore pick the officials using democratic principles. So if even the APC in Constitution call for selection or election, the country in Constitution I must take precedence. So I want the APC members they ready for force President Ernest Koroma and Ousmane Sané them for make them conduct elections for the next flag bearer. And let nobody not fool you. The party get good people with clean record will go able for succeed President Ernest Koroma as the next flag bearer. But President Ernest Koroma, he don't want that. Because he wants the corrupt people away according to him. Now they will come protect him. Una not allow that. The APC is not about President Ernest Koroma. And I also want for let una member, una own promise that we don't make. Say it don't take where the leadership of the APC they come out na Bombali. Una don't ask una self say what is wrong with Pochloco and the Cambia. So una remember that. Una not allow them limba them for always they dominate the APC. Una get people that way not come up Bombali, people who not to limba where they say competent. The party bound forget a national character. So make members of the APC ready for stand up against President Ernest Koroma where they continue for destroy the APC and the country. President Ernest Koroma na 10 years he don't do so. He don't get nothing good way able for show. And una the people of Sierra Leone also allow a member say anytime we una give APC power. Now that's the God they show una the people of Sierra Leone investigation against una. President Jess Momo, na been day we got investigation car with the rebel war. He killed thousands and thousands of people. When I take the country back, when I give President Ernest Koroma in 2007, during a own time, na in the Ebola camp. The same President Ernest Koroma back, na in the way that ABA Baraka, we don't kill over 1,000 people. So una redeem una self from the Almighty God investigation by simply kicking the APC out. The APC na Satan in your party than they. Una see what they do to Muslims, then way one for go Hajj, for go worship the Almighty Allah. then take the money, they eat them, then prevent the people them from going to Hajj. Until next week, we will bring to another edition. This is Alpha Saidu Bangwa, the Tata.